Hello everyone, it's Osuela Maravilla, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Gucci Ophidia wallet. So let's see how it looks like. So it comes in this box, as you see. We'll open it. So it comes in this pouch. It comes really wrapped up. Let's see. Wow, really, really nice wallet, as you can see. Very nice one. So it comes with the instructions. The Gucci logo, very nice, as you can see it. It could fit up to 8 cards. The inside. You can divide the money in here in 2 sides. Very nice wallet. You just watched the unboxing of the Gucci Ophidia wallet. So until next time.